Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I'm going to be testing out a hair tool that I received from Chi. I am going to be testing out the Chi Lava 1-inch volcanic lava ceramic curl shot. So this is crazy. Like, I have never seen a hair tool like this. This has a cool shot button that sets curls for long-lasting results. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do one side with the cool shot and then the other side without the cool shot to see if we can really see a difference and if the curls are really going to last a little bit longer. I'm going to do like a wear test at least for an hour, you know, just to see if we can see a difference. So yeah, let's get right into the video, but first subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I don't post on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, show some love. So let's open this up. Packaging is really nice. It's like a magnet. Really like that. It brings a glove. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I probably should. So I'm just going to have it here just in case. This retails for about $120 or $130. So it is a little bit pricey for a curling one. But it does have a cool shot, which I have never seen in a curling iron before. So we'll see if it's like actually... like if it actually makes a difference. So this is what the hair tool looks like. It looks interesting. So I'm going to spray a little bit of this Chi 44 Iron Guard. This is a heat protectant. So thank you so much, Chi, for sending me this so that I can protect my hair before I put heat on it. So I'm going to spray a little bit of that. I'm going to use my brush to just detangle my hair. Make sure I have no knots. Let's turn this on. It's gonna warm up to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. So I guess we're just gonna try that heat setting first. And then if I need to go up, I'll go up. But yeah, it's warming up. So you are supposed to use this like horizontal, not vertical. So let's try that. Oof. Ooh, this looks scary. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, this looks pretty scary, I'm not gonna lie. It's like this big thing right here is like not making it super comfortable for me to move everything around. I'm just gonna release the curl now. Okay, so you get a very nice curl, as you can see. It's actually very pretty. I just don't know if I can get used to this right here. Like, it's kind of like uncomfortable for me to like move around and stuff, but we're gonna keep trying it. I'm gonna do just one curl on this side with the cool shot, but the rest I'm just gonna do without it, and then this side I'm gonna do all of them with the cool shot, and then I'm gonna do a wear test for at least an hour to see if we see a difference, like if this side is gonna actually last a little bit longer than this side. So I'm gonna do one side. Okay, so this doesn't get hot, this right here, which is nice. Even if I do touch my face with it, I'm not burning myself, so that's nice. So I'm gonna do the cool shot. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh. It's a beautiful curl. I am getting beautiful curls. Very, very nice curls. They're like the perfect curl. This is curling my hair very quickly too. It's not like gotta leave it on the barrel for like too long. Even just 5 seconds is enough. Like, I would say 5 to 8 seconds, maybe 10 seconds max, depending on the size too of the section. So yeah, I'm actually getting used to this tool. It's not that uncomfortable. At first I thought that maybe this right here gets kind of hot, but it doesn't get hot at all. Like, the only part that gets hot is the wands right here, and this doesn't even get hot, which is nice. Okay guys, so I'm done with this side. As you can see, I got some really nice curls. I'm actually very happy with how these curls turned out. So I'm gonna clip this side just a little bit so it's like away from my face, just like a little bit like that. And let's start doing this side. I'm gonna wrap the hair around the barrel. I'm gonna leave it there for a couple of seconds. And I'm gonna do the cool shot. Ooh, very pretty, very tight, bouncy, defined curl. Okay, so I'm gonna do that with this side. I'm just gonna fast forward this because I don't want this video to be too long, but let's keep curling my hair. Alright guys, I'm done with this side. It was actually very quick. It only took me like 15 minutes to do this side. So this is what my hair is looking like. The curls are very defined, very bouncy. I would normally like run my fingers through my curls so it could look a little bit more loose, but I'm not going to do that just because I want to do a whole like wear test and really see if this side is going to last longer than this side. But yeah, this is what the side without the cool shot is looking like. Also very nice curls, very bouncy. I really like this side as well. I actually really like this hair tool so far. It's not as uncomfortable to use as it looks like. I know it looks like it could be very uncomfortable to use, but it's actually not that bad. This is like a whole blow dryer right here. I mean, just think about that. Like this blow dryer right here is very small. I mean, I'm sure it could probably be even bigger, but you can tell that they try to do it as small as possible so it could be very comfortable to use. I'm gonna do a wear test right now. So this is the side with the cool shot, this is the side without the cool shot. I like both sides, they look really nice. So right now it's 2:07. I'm gonna be back in about an hour and let's see if we can see a difference. I'm not gonna touch my hair, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to run my fingers or anything. I'm not going to touch up. I'm not going to do anything. So I'll be back in an hour. Okay guys, I'm back. So it's 3:08. As you can see, it's been exactly 1 hour. Call me crazy, but I don't notice a difference. Do you guys notice a difference? This is the side without the cool setting, the cool shot. And so this is the side with the cool shot. I mean, I think both sides look exactly the same. I mean, what do you guys think? Do you notice a difference? Like, do you notice a difference? I don't notice a difference. I don't know if I should do a couple more hours of the wear test, but I think both sides look pretty good. And like, I'm happy with both sides, but I don't know if you gotta do that extra step of doing the cool shot if this side without the cool shot looks just fine. Like, it has to make a difference in a couple of hours, right? So I'll be back at 6 in 3 hours, and yeah, let's see if we can see a difference. Okay, see you guys at 6:11. Hi guys, it's been 3 hours, so in total it's been actually 4 hours since I curled my hair, and right now it is 6:09. Can you guys tell the difference? So this is the one without the cool shot. And then this is the side with the cool shot. So the cool shot is supposed to give you longer lasting results, like longer lasting curls, but I think this side is just fine. I mean, this side did last a good amount of time without the cool shot, so I mean, do I really need the cool shot? That's the question. So yeah, it's been 4 hours in total. I didn't notice a big difference, but I do like this hair tool and I am going to use it again. I just would like to know how this compares to a regular 1-inch curling wands. Like, is it the same thing? You know, because it is a little bit more comfortable to use than this. I kind of got used to this though. I kind of got used to using this, but this is more, just like a little bit more uncomfortable to use than a regular wand because it doesn't have all this, you know. But it's not that uncomfortable. I mean, you do kind of get the hang of it after a little bit. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to compare this to another 1-inch wand. I can totally do that. Maybe I can compare this to the cheese spin and curl. Let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.